Back home for Christmas. It was Christmas night, and the celebration was over. Emma's family was already sleeping. They had dinner, played family games, and exchanged presents. It was a nice celebration, and everyone had a good time. Her family said the food was the best of all. It was late, and Emma sat on the sofa with a blanket. She was waiting for her brother John. He was still traveling home. She was watching a TV show to stay awake because she wanted to welcome him when he arrived. The house was quiet, and the fire was still burning. Emma was feeling very tired. The TV was still on, but her eyes closed slowly. She tried to stay awake, but she was very sleepy. Finally, she fell asleep on the sofa. At 3 o'clock in the morning, the door opened quietly. Emma's brother arrived at last. He looked tired, but happy to be home. The house was dark and very quiet. He took off his shoes to make no noise. He walked to the living room, where he could hear the sound of the TV. He saw Emma sleeping on the sofa. She waited for me, he thought fondly. He gently woke her up. "Emma, I'm here," John said quietly. Emma opened her eyes and smiled. "You are finally here," she said happily. Emma stood up and gave her brother a hug. She hugged him very tightly. The last time she saw him was 8 months ago. "I missed you so much," said Emma. "I missed you too," he replied softly. They felt very happy to be together again. Emma's brother was very hungry. "Can I eat some leftovers?" he asked. "Yes, of course," said Emma. They went to the kitchen together. She heated the food while he was sitting at the table. John was very tired. He woke up at 5 in the morning the day before and did not sleep after that. He closed his eyes and rested for a moment while Emma was preparing the food. The kitchen felt warmer than the rest of the house. The food was still very good. "It's better than airport food," he laughed. "I'm happy to be home at last," he said. "It's the best Christmas dinner," he added. While he was eating, he told Emma about his trips. Emma listened carefully. Her brother worked as a pilot and flew planes. She thought his job was more exciting than any other job. He traveled to many cities and countries. Some flights were as long as 12 hours, he said. Can you fly big planes already? She asked. Not yet. I assist the captain, he explained. I'm still a co-pilot, but I'm logging a lot off-flight hours, he said. Emma felt very proud of her brother. That's amazing, she said. Could you take me with you one day? She asked. He laughed and nodded. Of course, when I'm the captain, he said. John ate all the food. He was very full, but very happy. Her brother cleared the table and did the dishes. Emma kept him company, but she started to feel sleepy again. You should go to bed, he said kindly. Emma hugged her brother tightly. I'm so happy you're here, she said. Even if it was late, Christmas felt complete at last.